Hi, if you're wondering how to download videos in Safari on iPhone, then watch this video. For that, go ahead and open Safari and now tap on plus to create new tab. Here we need to search for the website pixabay.com. Make sure it has this green icon. Now we need to tap to open. And on the top, we can see some categories, so we need to swipe left to find videos. After that, you can see all of the stunning free stock video, footage, and clips. So find one you want to download, tap it like that, and before downloading, you can view this video by tapping this icon. Now click on the download and here choose needed resolution. For example, this default one in MP4. Then tap download and here you need to confirm that you want to download this video. So click on download and now you should see this small tiny blue arrow near the website. By clicking it, you will see section downloads, so you can tap it and check downloaded video. Also, it should be saved in Files app. So go ahead and open Files app, tap on Recents and find it here. Or the next way is to go in Browse section, tap on Downloads, and it will be definitely in the Downloads folder. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.